Ever feel like you're spending hours trying to write the perfect blog post, add copy, or email, but you're just stuck staring at a blank screen? I've been there. But what if I told you there's a way to create high-quality content in minutes? That's right, with Jasper.ai, you can boost your productivity, write SEO-optimized copy, and even make money online. Stay tuned, and I'll show you how. Let's dive right in. Jasper.ai is an AI-powered copywriting tool designed to help you create content fast. Whether you're a blogger, a marketer, or a business owner, Jasper can write everything from long-form blog posts to snappy product descriptions and persuasive emails. But what makes Jasper truly special is its versatility and ease of use. Let me show you some of its key features. First, let's talk about Jasper's user-friendly interface. It's simple, clean, and easy to navigate. You just input your topic, choose a template, select your tone of voice, and let Jasper do the magic. One of the most powerful features of Jasper is the library of 50+ templates. Need to write a blog post? Jasper's got a template for that. Want to create ad copy, YouTube video scripts, or even social media posts? Jasper has you covered. The long-form assistant is perfect for creating entire blog posts, articles, and ebooks. Just provide a brief description of what you need, and Jasper will generate a well-structured draft in minutes. Plus, it can integrate keywords for SEO optimization, helping your content rank higher in search engines. You can customize the tone, length, and style of your content, so whether you need something professional or casual, Jasper adapts to your needs. Now, you might be wondering, how can you actually make money using Jasper.ai? Let me show you 4 practical ways you can turn this AI-powered tool into a profit-making machine. 1. Offer freelance writing services. Start a freelance business on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Jasper allows you to deliver high-quality blog posts, product descriptions, emails, and more at lightning speed, meaning you can take on more clients and boost your income. Many freelancers charge hundreds of dollars for just one blog post. With Jasper, you can create several pieces of content in the time it would normally take to write just one manually. 2. Build a niche blog and monetize it. If you have a niche blog, Jasper can help you generate SEO-optimized content regularly. The more blog posts you create, the more traffic you can drive. Once your site grows, you can make money through Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, or even sponsored posts. 3. Start an affiliate marketing business. Speaking of affiliate marketing, Jasper itself has a great affiliate program. You can earn up to 30% recurring commission for every referral. So not only can you use Jasper to create content for your business, but you can also make money promoting the tool to others. 4. Create an online course or digital products. Have a skill you want to teach? Use Jasper to help you write ebooks, guides, and online course content in no time. Once your content is ready, you can sell your digital products on platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or even through your own website. Don't just take my word for it, there are thousands of businesses and freelancers who have transformed their content creation process using Jasper. Many report increased traffic, higher conversion rates, and more clients in less time. So, whether you're looking to boost your content marketing, start a freelance business, or even build a niche blog, Jasper.ai is a game changer. With its AI-powered copywriting capabilities, you can save time, increase your output, and, most importantly, make money. If you're ready to take your content creation to the next level, click the link in the description and sign up for Jasper.ai today. They even offer a free trial, so you can try it out before committing. Trust me, you'll be blown away by what this tool can do. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to use AI tools to grow your business and make money online. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and let me know in the comments how you plan to use Jasper.ai. See you in the next video.